How to fix all Windows Update error problems in Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix all Windows Update error problems in Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your File Explorer. Once you open up your File Explorer, you just need to simply go with this PC and select your local disk C. Once you've selected, now you just need to simply scroll down and go with the Windows folder. Once you open up your Windows, you need to go with software distribution. So search for software distribution. And here you'll have all the files that you don't need after your Windows update. So if you've updated your Windows recently, then what you need to do is you just need to simply select all of these and then hit the delete and go with continue, and then you need to delete all of these items. Once you've deleted, now you just need to simply move on to the next step, which is you need to open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, you can simply search for troubleshoot, and here you'll have troubleshoot settings. Click on it, go with other troubleshooters, and here under the most frequent you will have Windows Update. You just need to simply go with the right side and then go with run and run your Windows Update troubleshooter. After the process, you need to restart your computer and check if your problem still persists. But if it does, what you need to do is just open up your CMD and make sure to go as run as administrator and click on yes. And here you need to enter a command which is sfc space / scan now, and then hit the enter, and it will scan your whole computer, and it might take a few minutes. So you just need to simply wait till it loads to 100%, and after that your problem might be fixed. And even if this doesn't fix your problem, then the last thing you need to do is you need to open up your services. Once you open up your service, now you just need to simply click on any one of the service and then press W on your keyboard, and it will take you to this kind of interface where you just need to simply go with Windows Update, double click on the Windows Update and make sure that you've started the service. You just need to simply click on start. Once you start the service, you need to go with startup type and choose automatic and make sure that it is not disabled. Make sure to choose the automatic. And after doing that, you need to go with apply and OK, and you need to restart your device, and after restarting your problem will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you can fix all Windows Update error problems in your Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.